Alright, good evening. So this FNS over here, we're gonna do a quick market recap of about what took place today in the markets. So you guys were, as you guys know, I was looking for the market to take out this buy side liquidity over here on 17,775 price range. But when the market opened today at 9:30, we also had a news event come out at 10 in the morning, causing the market to take out pretty much all of this sell side liquidity over here. I was expecting it to retrace from this inefficiency, which can be seen in the H4 time frame. Take off some annotations. Oopsie daisy. And we ended up trading into this 1 hour breaker block. And over here we created a handsome range over here with relative equal highs and lows. And we have these right here that are still untapped. This liquidity got swept already. So after the news release came out at 10, I'm not familiar with what news event came out, but there was news. That's all I know. Red folder news. We kept on breaking to the downside over here, using this breaker block based on the H1 time frame as a support level. Okay, and that's why it's always important to wait for the market to tap into a higher time frame PDRA, because if you don't trade from a higher time frame PDRA, you're pretty much trading from no floor type of thing. Just imagine you jumping a trampoline and the trampoline breaks in the middle and you're headed to the middle. What's gonna happen? You're gonna fall. Same thing happened for the people who were looking for buys today, for most part of the morning at least. So today around 10:40, we created the 10:45. We created the New York low. And keep in mind, we're sitting at the discount side of the H1 breaker block. Which is this one right here. Okay, and I mentioned this earlier in a previous video that prices not like to stay in discount for a long time. So at 9:45 we created the New York low. So far, this is the weekly low. Okay. That's an inverse fair value gap that I ended up using today. We ended up creating an order block, a bullish order block. We swept some lows over here. Started pushing to the upside. Correct. Now all of these things, you can pretty much find them today in the live execution trade that I posted. I did mention in the daily bias video today that I was expecting price to come up to these equal highs over here. We left that on tap for today. We had a much steeper retrace than expected, so it's gonna take a little bit longer for it to get up there. But what do we have here as well? We coming from another block. We got this small swing high over here. All of this area right here is plagued of stop losses. Buy stops actually. That we will come in and take. Possibly today during London session. That's pretty much what happened today. The drawn liquidity, the original one, was not tapped. I'm sorry. But we did take out the London's high anyway. And now the only thing left to do is wait. Oh, it's the new week opening gap. This imbalance is already filled. Clean up my chart a little bit. So what do we leave? Okay, we got this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency over here. That could be used as a support level tomorrow or during London. Let's see how price action develops. As you guys know, the Asian session is usually a choppy market, so might as well stay away from it. Well, we got a huge rejection to the upside from the H1 order block, and it lined up perfectly with this inefficiency as well. I'm gonna leave it right here. You guys get the point. But that's pretty much it for today. We're somewhat stuck in this small consolidation right here. Let's see if the market wants to take out these highs. And take the previous month high as well during this week. Let's see if that happens. I don't see many barriers or many roadblocks on the road, so to speak. I have one more hour and 15 minutes for the H4 to close this candlestick right here. So well, that is pretty much it for today. You guys have a good evening and safe trading tomorrow.